If you ever had to open and print a dozen drawings at a time, you already know the pain. DraftSight Batch tool fixes that. There are 4 ways to launch Batch Print in DraftSight, and you can use whichever fits your workflow. Option 1, click the DraftSight logo up in the top left, select Print, and then go to Batch Print. Option 2, go up to the File menu and go down to Batch Print. If you don't see your File menu, go up to your Custom Quick Access Toolbar dropdown and click on Show Menu Bar. Option 3, just type in Batch Print, or Batch for short. Option 4, if you're working inside the Sheet Set Manager, you can batch print directly from there. Just right-click at the top level folder, go down to Publish, and then go down to Batch Print. This is especially powerful because the batch print settings are already tied to the sheet set, so there's nothing extra to configure. All 4 methods get you to the same place. Pick whichever fits how you're already working. In order to use the tool, type in batch at the command line and hit enter. If no drawings show up, click on the Add Current Drawings at the very top. If nothing shows up there, be sure to save the drawing in order to view the files. Type in batch again, and then when you click on Add Drawings, the drawings will show up. If you do not wish to add the current drawings, you can click on Add Files to manually add drawings to the list. You can select these files and hit Clear List to get rid of them. An important thing to note that drawings that have active page setups will only be displayed. So in order to make this page active, you'll need to go in and do Ctrl+P for print, set it to whatever your printer is. I'm going to do PDF, go down to the page size, to the D size, all geometry, the scale will be 1:1, centered, and monochrome. Once that's all done, click on Save Page Layout or Apply to Sheet. If I click on Save Page Layout, this will actually give it a name. So PDF D_full_mono, just to give it a good exact name. And I'll hit Apply to Sheet, but I won't hit OK, I'll just hit Cancel. Make sure to hit Save, or else those Apply to Sheets won't show up. I'll type in the shortcut Batch. Now you see everything is listed as OK, and if I want to apply that saved printer to each tab name, I can select them all by holding down Shift and left-clicking, and then clicking on the tab that has the page layout set to it. I can also save to Sheet, Model and Sheet, or I can also save to a PDF or a DWF and a multi-sheet file. I can also go into the printer options and uncheck this or make sure that it is saved as a multi-sheet file. Once that is all set, I can click on Start, and my multi-sheet PDF has been created. And that's the batch print tool, a real time saver when you're dealing with large drawing sets. Set up once, save the list, and next time it's just a couple of clicks. If this helped, drop a like and subscribe for more DraftSight tips. See you in the next one.